at Speedokote Finish Network. So today we got this older G35 coupe with us. Very straightforward job. We're going to be pretty much just wet sanding the whole body with probably 320 or 500 grit. We're going to go ahead and primer these few spots. Go ahead and sand that out, and then we're going to be hitting it with the Speedokote Bright White single stage paint. It is paint day. Car sanded out really smooth. I think it's going to come out great. Got something for my budget people. Speedokote, this is a single stage. Me personally, I just find that I get less runs by using a faster activator. Paint starts setting up a little bit quicker so it doesn't have a chance to run. $99. Comes with free shipping. I know some people that are still stuck buying stuff locally because they don't want to wait for the shipping. Guys, 2 days if you live anywhere on the East Coast. Not only that, you're buying manufacturer direct, made right here in the USA, so you're getting a better quality product at a cheaper price. Wraps it up for the G35. Very simple job. This stuff covered so well. We actually only did one coat over the whole car, maybe like a coat and a half, because we went over the panel and then we came back up and kind of did like a light, dust coat over that. It's already dry. We just sprayed it about an hour ago. Dried up really nice, and we got a really high gloss out of it. So that wraps it up. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.